What's up, fellas? Paradox 2311. Got a couple scores for you for the last couple days. Picked these two boxes of auto match up yesterday morning. Lady had just started putting the 7 cases out, and I thought I only needed 2 to close a case. Miscounted, but she did give me all of the empty cases. I just caught her putting them out, so she gave me 6 of the empty boxes. So I had to go back today to get one more because I needed one more to close the case. So this was from yesterday. 2 boxes of the auto match, 10:15 a.m. and I got this one today along with these. So here's the 1 box of auto match plus 2 of those. 10:06 this morning. Had a little help getting the rest of them. This one 10:13, 10:29, 10:28. These are the 1435 feet per second hypervelocities. So I ended up getting 11 of those. I was trying to get 16 to close one of the small ammo cans out with, but people were buying them as I was sending people in there to buy them, so I didn't get that. But did get to close this case, plus these 2 cases closed. 3 closed cases on the auto match. And that's it for me today. I do have a little footage from my hunt this morning. I did kill a turkey this morning, so it's a little sideways, so I'll be sorry about the, apologize now for the taco neck and the chicken neck that you might get looking at it, but I'll leave that, leave you guys with that. Paradox 2311. Get yours, because I'm going to get mine. I don't know if you guys can hear him, but about 75 yards behind me off to my right. There he went again. Should hopefully fly that right in front of me. I think it's a quick one. He didn't stand a chance. 10 yards. He walked 5 feet beside me. Poor little turkey. Let's see what you're working with. Not too much there. Little 2-year-old. But got him. Yeah. Don't fight it. Don't fight the Reaper. Just let it go. Don't fight it. Don't fight it. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Turkey heaven ain't a bad place to be. Dang, man. That ain't enough. Go. I was sitting literally right there. Right there. Walked out. Maybe 10 yards.